18-109 Mapleboro. Looks like we got a clog sink. So we're gonna go ahead and snake it. So right off the rip, you can see where there's just tons of stuff in it. Just as soon as I open the pipe, I mean, it is loaded with stuff. Wow. Yeah, look at all this stuff right at the beginning of the pipe. Just tons of junk. Look at, what is this? Oh, damn. Wow. Just somebody just put all kind of stuff in this, didn't they? Wow, look at the gunk coming out. Oh, wow. What the hell?
What you got?
Lots of crap. I haven't even started snaking it yet. There's like, I don't know what they put down this. I'm looking at it. Before I even put my snake in, I gotta see what this is. See, all this was the first part.
Jesus.
I don't know what they were putting down here. Rubber bands. There's a rubber band. Yep. So everybody try to flush a rubber band down. At least one, if not. Oh, wow. Damn. Whoa. One. That pit was blocked like a motherfucker. Jesus. Holy flizzuck. Damn. Oh my goodness, look at all this stuff came out of the vent side of the pipe. Wow. That's a huge air clog. Hey.
He's upstairs.
Oh, tell him good news, I got through. So as you can see, I mark when I come to the 35 foot, which is basically at the end of the cord. And this white mark indicates that. I went down 35 feet. As you can see in the pipe, I did make it down. It was a bunch of stuff in there, but I broke it up on top and bottom, so we will not have to cut the pipes. So that's a good news. All right, so we're at the bottom. We're gonna bring it back up. It's already, should be plenty clear by now. Let's see what we bring up. Back here. Minutes, and it's flowing down real fast. Perfect.
Looking good, man. Looking good.
Also, let's check under here for any leaks from putting the pipes back together. Anything? We always want to double check for nothing here. All looks good, no leaks. And we also checked downstairs already, so we know we're good to